What is process management?
Process management is a vital part of how operating systems keep computers running smoothly. It refers to how an operating system creates, schedules, and ends the various programs, known as processes, that are running at any moment. By managing these processes, the system ensures each program gets the resources it needs without conflicts or slowdowns.
How are processes created and ended?
A process starts when a user opens a program or when the system needs to run a background task. The operating system allocates resources like memory and processor time to the process. When the process finishes its work or is no longer needed, the system reclaims those resources, ending the process cleanly so other programs can use them.
Why is scheduling important?
Scheduling decides the order in which processes get access to the CPU. Since there are usually more running processes than available CPUs, the operating system uses scheduling algorithms to share processing time fairly and efficiently. This prevents any single task from hogging resources and helps keep the computer responsive for everyone.
Managing multiple processes simultaneously.
Modern operating systems use multitasking so that many processes can appear to run at once. The system rapidly switches between tasks, giving each process a brief moment to execute. This approach allows users to browse the web, listen to music, and run updates all at the same time without obvious delays.
Why does process management matter?
Efficient process management improves computer performance, keeps programs running smoothly, and helps prevent system crashes. By balancing the needs of many processes, the operating system ensures that each task, from critical security checks to your favorite app, gets enough attention to work correctly and reliably.